Alright people, I just got back from installing the exhaust. Just like that Avenger video that they have, that Corsa put out on YouTube, that everybody's watched. It sounds that good, if not better. I'm gonna have you hold that.
Molly, move.
Just like it says, there is no drone whatsoever when you're driving. It's like completely silent. So yeah, like if you haven't watched the other video, I put my cold air intake yesterday, put it in, finally got this done. I took some pictures of the underneath before they dropped it, so you can see what it looks like. I definitely recommend buying this exhaust for either the Avenger or the 200 because it's worth every penny. Loud and powerful, and I recommend investing your money in this also, just because they really don't do anything if you have an intake with no exhaust. I mean, it's going to help, but it's not going to do what it should. And if you have an exhaust without the intake, vice versa. So yeah, that's 200. Comment if you have any questions.